Hello friends, welcome to Tech Prabhu YouTube channel and myself SR Prabhu. In this video, we are going to see about memory IC. This is the most important IC for our LED and LCD TV. In this memory IC, we are calling by different names, that is Flash IC, Programmable IC, BIOS IC, EEPROM IC, eMMC IC and SPI IC. In this IC, we are having lot of series, that is 24 series IC, 25 series IC and 29 series IC. 24 series IC is called it as Flash IC, and then 25 series IC is called it as EEPROM or SPI IC. Most probably we are using SPI IC in normal LED TVs. So the working principle and pin configuration of this IC, and then in case of failure in this IC, what all the problem occurs in our LED TV. I will explain all these things in this video. So kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and watch this video up to end. Let's get started. Okay, now let us see about 25 series SPI IC. What is SPI? It is Serial Peripheral Interface. SPI is one of the most widely used interfaces between microcontroller and external memory. It is a full duplex master-slave based interface. That is, microcontroller is act as master and then flash memory IC is act as slave. The package types of IC is W25Q08, W25Q16, W25Q32, W25Q64 and W25Q128, in which W25Q is a series of this IC, and 08, 16, 32, 64, 128, these are memory capacity of this IC. Same time we are calling this IC is EEPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. In this IC, operating voltage is 2.7 volt to 3.6 volt and current rating is up to 4 milliamps. Okay, for example, I will take a W25Q128 IC, in which W25Q is a series number of this IC and 128 is a memory capacity of this IC. It means 128 megabit. 1 megabit is equal to 0.125 megabyte. So 128 into 0.125 is equal to 16 megabyte. So this IC memory capacity is 16 megabyte. Like that you will calculate for all ICs. This IC can do 256 byte data read and write at a time. Okay, let us see about pin configuration of this IC. This is a 8-pin IC. First pin CS, chip select. Second pin DO, data output. Third pin WP, write protection. Fourth pin ground. Fifth pin DI, data input. Sixth pin clock. Seventh pin hold or reset. And finally, 8th pin is VCC. Okay, now let us see about all the pin details. First pin CS means chip select. It is an input signal. CS pin getting information from microcontroller. This CS pin is used to enable and disable the memory IC operation. When the chip select signal is high, that time memory IC is deselected from other devices, and then IC power consumption will be standby level. Then reading and writing operation has been started. When the CS signal is low, the device will be selected and then power consumption will be increases to active level. Okay, next we will see about second and fifth pin, DO and DI pin. DI is a data input and DO is a data output. These both pins are unidirectional. Why? Because DI pin can perform only write operation to the device and DO pin can perform only read operation from the device. When the clock signal is high or rising edge, that time DI input pin used to write the instruction or data to the memory IC. When the clock signal is low or falling edge, the DO output pin is used to read the data from memory IC. So the DI and DO pin can be used to accomplish the read and write operation. Next, third pin is WP. It means write protection. When the WP is getting active low signal, then it can be used to prevent the status register data. Simply, while doing the writing operation, WP pin will stop all the unnecessary data to the memory IC. Then the sixth pin is clock. This IC can perform all the works with the help of rising and falling edge of the clock signal. Then seventh pin is hold or reset. When the hold pin but low signal, it allows the device to be paused. When the hold pin but high signal, the device operation can resume. While short the 7th and 8th pin, this IC will be reset. Then finally, 8th pin is VCC. This is very familiar for us. It's the main operating voltage of this IC. It may be 2.7 volt to 3.6 volt. And the maximum current rating is 4 milliamps. All 25 series IC has same pin configuration. One of the IC is failure. Can we use the other IC instead of this failure IC? If high memory capacity IC is failure, instead of that, we cannot able to use low memory capacity IC. But in case of low memory capacity IC failure, instead of that, we can able to use high memory capacity IC. Okay, let us see in case of failure in ICs, what may be the problem in our LED TV. Standby problem, auto restart, logo stuck, logo restart, malfunction, black screen and no display. If you find this problem in LED LCD TV, we need to check this memory IC because software failure rate of this IC is high. Then the additional information is there is a more traffic in this IC, then it's doing malfunction. At that time, we never install the new firmware software. First, we should copy all the program to our system and then reloaded software to memory IC. While doing like this, maximum software problem will be solved. That's all friends. I hope you understand this video is useful for you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Finally, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned until next video. Thank you.